My name is Elec Zambia, Director of Hanchu International. This is a success exhibition. From the 5th to 7th, I found a lot of our customer and a lot of company from India, Qatar, and China, and also other countries. A lot of technician, sales, and management people they visited of this exhibition, and also like ZESCO, Energy of Ministry of the Energy, and also Madam General Secretary from the President Office also visited this exhibition. And I think the government pays much attention of this exhibition. And I believe in 2026, this exhibition will be become better.
Yeah, my name is Gary Gillingham. I'm the MD of Get Off Grid. It's a company that supplies and distributes solar products to the solar industry, particularly installers and projects. We don't supply the end user. Our belief is that we support the installation market, get loyalty through that. We have a wide variety of products, and we are a one-stop solar shop in Lusaka. So the experience at the solar show has been magnificent. We've had some great leads, we've met new people. It's created opportunities for us to increase our revenue and to increase our customer base. We are most definitely 10 next year. We say thank you very much. The opportunity was taken in both hands, and the experience has been magnificent.
We are FSQ, a company from China. We are very happy to be to Zambia. We're based in Lusaka for about 2 years. We have office in Zambia. Here we are honored to be in this exhibition. I think this is a very good exhibition because the power and electricity is very, very important for the country, for the people lived here. Our company can support all the people about the solar system and the energy storage system. We can do the whole solution for a big project. I think and make this place better and better.
Myself, Shivakumar Biradar. I am from V-Guard Industries Limited, India. I am heading Expo division of V-Guard Industries Limited. So this is first time in Zambia. We are putting our stall in Power and Elec exhibition, Zambia. So this is one of the best experience what we had in this exhibition. We got good prospects here. We are trying to associate with them, and few of the customers are interested in dealing our product. I'm happy to share my experience that this is the best of kind experience what I had in Zambia, and the Zambian market is very good, very potential, and we want to associate with the Zambian people, the Zambian customer, because we want to cater the need of Zambia, and we assure that every Zambian's need pertaining to electromechanical product will be fulfilled from Indian exporters. So thank you so much for this event. Thank you for all the organizers, the FIO and Zarina and the event organizer and the Zambian team. Thanks a lot from our side.
Hi there, my name is Francisca Fuma, representing Proton Electro Cables. I am the marketing executive. My experience at the Power and Elec Expo was great. It was all the players on the market, competitors, suppliers, basically everything to do with electricity all in one room. And it was quite enlightening. It was an opportunity for us to network. We got to meet people from many different countries and kind of share insight and also get connections. So it's been great. We look forward to taking part in next year's exhibition.
I am Ahsan Ahmed from Edwin Batteries, India, and company manufacturing lead-acid batteries, lithium batteries, inverters, solar PCU, solar inverter, panels, all things related to the solar business. And we are in the energy business from last 13 years. We have 3 plants, one in India, the second plant is in Nepal, and the third plant in Sri Lanka. And very soon it will start the production. And this is the first time our company is participating in Zambia. And regarding this expo, all good. We are hopeful that very soon we will get some queries, some business from Zambia, some business partners from Zambia. Thank you.
My name is Daniel James Piri. I'm from Vestu Technologies. We attended this show event of Zambia Power Electrical. So we started this event at it was on 5th November 2025. We really appreciate for the organizers of this show, because as much as we are concerned, can switch into green energy to save more lives. With these few remarks, I thank you.
My name is Vinod Kumar. I work for Metmill Limited. That is a company which is running from last 18 years in Zambia, and I work here as a business development manager. The journey so far in this show, it has been absolutely great, and since the organizers, they were first time they came to Zambia, so they managed well, and a lot of visitors have been here in show. So far, we are quite happy with the feedback. I mean, with the kind of show that they have organized, quite happy, and it's a great experience. And we look forward that next year also they'll be conducting it, and they'll be coming bigger what they have done it this year. And I would like to say all the best to the team and everybody, all the exhibitors who have come across from India and other parts. Thank you.
Bonjour Zambia. My name is Sejal, and I am here to represent Barkis Industries India. We are tubular battery manufacturers, and we were here in Zambia exhibition, and this was quite a good experience. So we met a lot of people here, installers, even distributors as well. It was quite an experience. Looking forward to expand here in Zambia. Thank you.